The ponytail palm, or elephant's foot, is a species that is native to numerous states of eastern Mexico, but is now confined to the state of Veracruz. Despite its common name, it is not closely related to the true palms. It has become popular in Europe and worldwide as an ornamental plant. There are 350-year-old ponytail palms registered in Mexico. The common characteristics of this plant include a bulbous trunk, which is used to store water, and its long, hair-like leaves that grow from the top of the trunk like a ponytail, giving the plant its renowned name. Ponytail palms usually do not bloom until they are 10 years old, and when the plant is mature enough, it will flower during the summer, with clusters of white to cream flowers. Growing ponytail palms in the home is easy. Technically, a ponytail palm tree needs bright light, but because it is such a forgiving plant, it will be okay if you give it bright light about half the time. In fact, if you keep it in low light conditions half the year and provide bright light conditions the other half of the year, it will be perfectly happy. This means that as long as you place it outdoors in the summer, it will tolerate any indoor light conditions you keep it in during the winter. When growing ponytail palm as a houseplant, you should let the soil dry out significantly in between waterings. This plant is best if it's interplanted with low growers that like it on the dry side. Juniper, crown of thorns, Indian hawthorn, and ice plant companion well with ponytail palms. NASA found the ponytail palm to be one of the best air purifying plants to keep indoors. It absorbs common toxic gases through its leaves and converts them into fresh oxygen.